This video will introduce you to the basics of using the many databases we have purchased in the library. After watching this video, you will know what a database is, how to choose a database, do basic searching including keyword searching, narrow down your results, and use the information found there to access a source. A database is a collection of information stored in an electronic format that can be searched by a computer. In our databases, you can find popular, scholarly, and newspaper articles, images, videos, and ebooks. Some databases are interdisciplinary, while others focus on a specific field or topic. Other databases focus on a specific format, like newspaper articles, images, or streaming videos. Databases are created by different vendors by collecting and organizing information from various publications. Each vendor has developed their own end-user interface. While these interfaces may look different, most of them have the same basic functions. Once you learn how to navigate one, you can look for the same tools and options in others. In many cases, the library has access to several databases made by each vendor. So once you figure out a couple of interfaces, you can easily navigate most of our databases. In today's tutorial, we will be focusing on Academic OneFile from the Gale interface, which is a general database covering a variety of subjects and contains full text of many items. To begin your search, navigate to the Wallace Library webpage and scroll down to the main search interface. Click on the Database tab. You'll see Academic OneFile is one of our top databases, and so it's listed on this front page. If you're ever unsure of what database you need, you can check out our subject guides, which are based by department. Go ahead and click on Academic OneFile. Let's start searching. I'm going to enter my topic, Civil Rights, into the search box. As I start typing, search terms will populate the drop-down with suggestions. You can choose one of those terms or continue typing and click on the arrow. In this case, I'm going to choose Civil Rights Movement. As you can see, this search yielded over 14,000 results. As that is too many to review, you'll want to start either making your search more specific with added search terms in the Search Within Results box, or limit your results using options like full text, peer-reviewed, by publication date, or document type. Remember, many faculty require students to use peer-reviewed articles, and you can choose that options within your limits. Once you're comfortable that your search is specific enough, in this case I added a search term, I limited to peer review, and I limited to a 5-year date range. You can start to review your results. You can see at a glance whether full text is available with the Download PDF button. Click on it to get your PDF. Click on the title, and sometimes you can see full text to the article in HTML format. You can also, again, download the PDF. You can also see the hyperlinks to the authors and to the journal where the article is. You can click on the citation tool in this left-hand tool menu to see information about the citation in various formats. Occasionally, there will only be a citation provided. You can click on the Find Full Text at Wheaton hyperlink to see if the article is available in full text from one of the library's other resources. In this case, we have the article in 2 different collections, so just double check your coverage to make sure your article is contained within that collection. If we didn't have it full text, there would be a button right down here to order this article via interlibrary loan. Remember, you may have to log in with your WID and password to process your request. This concludes the database tutorial. If you have any questions about this or other library matters, please feel free to use the Help tab on the library homepage and click on Contact a Librarian. This will direct you to a page which has information about contacting the various librarians at Wallace Library. Be sure and take the brief quiz which accompanies this tutorial. Thank you.